It's a very simple technique of using low amperage and about 10 liters of gas per minute, so you can run a nice beautiful weld. It's a very simple technique. Make sure you got your tungsten sharpened properly and just keep it about 2 millimeters away from your little welding bit. So I'll turn it around and keep going, and I'll weld it. When you finish and you decide to stop welding, I recommend to all those out there learning to TIG weld, do not take away your torch very quick. Hold it right there for 3 to 5 seconds and then take it away. In that way your weld will have time to cool off and the color of your weld will be blue, yellow or white, depending on how much gas you gave. Here I am, finishing the first little half of my vase. Nice welding. It's beautiful weld. I won't have too much to work on the polishing area. I didn't add any wire whatsoever, it's just a fuse around. So, about 150 long, on 30 degrees both ends, and then we're going to put them together. But before you put them together, do not forget to polish them. So polish them the way you like. Mirror polish or any other polish you think you might want to give to these little pipes as a vase for a decoration in your house or as a gift to anybody from your family. I'll keep going with the second one. I'll stop recording right now and I'll get to the point where I'll show you how to put the pipes together. I'll see you soon. Here I am now polishing. Showed you the pad. I'm using a flat pad number 60. When you polish stainless steel, you guys out there, don't go straight ahead thinking, oh my god, I need to make it more mirror polish to look like mirror. Polishing is about what you like. Leave your imaginations to work. I'm using this pad and I'm working based on my imagination. I'm doing all sorts of grains. When you do artwork, your imagination is the most important thing in polishing your stainless steel. So, number 60, flat pad. Use your imagination to not do always mirror polish. Thank you. Here I got an electrical linisher with a belt. I like using it, gives nice little rounds in the polishing, and I make nice shapes as I like it. It's a good small little tool for artwork where you can give your own polishing, and you might gonna like it. Try one, a Black & Decker or any other brand. 10 millimeters belt, 10 to 12. No more than that. So, I managed to polish my little pipes. Now, to weld them together, of course, will be a little bit of a problem. How you gonna hold them together? How you gonna hold them together? To hold them together, I reckon weld your first pipe on the bench with a small little tack I done here. After that, place the second pipe on the position you want and tack it right there, a small little tack, just to hold them in a position so you can weld the little vase. Okay, so I managed to tack them together. I cut them off the bench. I repolished the area where I had the tacks. I have to tell you, my tungsten has been a little out of the little nozzle, so I can make the tacks deep inside. I intend to reinforce the welds, and this is the final product. A beautiful little vase or a double pen holder, whatever you think it is. A beautiful vase like that for your missus, girlfriend, or your mom. If you got any questions, leave me a comment. I'll give you my email address and we can communicate. Good luck to all of you. From our studio, Transylvania, this is George again, George the Walk. Good luck to all of you. I got more to show you, heaps more.